Alright y'all, so today I'm unboxing a full dinnerware set and I'm actually going to be putting it to work. I'm not just showing it sitting pretty on a shelf. This is the Vancasso 24-piece series dinnerware set and it's service for 6. Once you open it up, everything is neatly and securely packed. No rattling, no chipped edges, everything is separated and protected. Please keep note that the last set of bowls will be under the foam on the bottom. As I pulled them out, the first thing I noticed is the design. It has that bohemian, slightly artistic look. The patterns aren't boring or plain, but they're not overwhelming either. They feel solid, these are not thin, and they're not fragile. You want to notice the size difference in these because that matters. You get dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and then cereal or soup bowls. The dinner plates are a really good size, big enough for a full meal without crowding. You get dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and then cereal or soup bowls. And the bowls are deeper than I expected, which is great for pasta, soup, cereal, or even a huge salad. Stacked together, they don't take up a crazy amount of cabinet space either. Once you actually create a full dinner with them, they look beautiful on the table. They elevate the meal without feeling too fancy. The weight feels balanced, they're not too heavy, and they're not flimsy. Cutting food on them doesn't sound scratchy or hollow. These are durable and stable. Once we set them out on the table, we are able to use them for dinner, you're able to use them in the microwave, and you're able to put them in the dishwasher. Now, the next morning, you can even use these for breakfast. Cereal in the bowl, perfect size. Eggs and toast on the smaller plate, great fit. Waffles, you got it. They work just as well for casual mornings as they do for dinner. That's important because you want something that's versatile. Reheating leftovers in the microwave? No issues. No weird heating, no cracking sounds. They heat food evenly like normal porcelain should. The plates did get warm, which is normal, but nothing concerning. After using these, you can instantly put them into the dishwasher. No hand washing required. They're labeled dishwasher approved, and after washing, you won't have fading, there's no dull finish, no scratching, no color change. They still look just as good as when I unboxed them. Also remember that these are scratch resistant, which matters for everyday use. They don't feel delicate or special occasion only. This feels like a real everyday family set that still looks stylish. This set is great for families, newlyweds, a housewarming gift, hosting dinners, everyday use, boho or modern kitchens. They're decorative enough for guests, but practical enough for daily life, which is the whole point. After unboxing, comparing sizes, using them for both dinner and breakfast, reheating food, and running them through the dishwasher, I'm definitely impressed. We were sent the set to test out, and this Vancasso 24-piece set is well made. It's stylish, practical, microwave approved, dishwasher approved, and it's durable for daily use. They look fabulous on our table, and they're not just for show. If you're looking for a full dinnerware refresh that balances design and durability, this is a solid option.